Welcome to Aviation Wing Channel. This is Captain Neil J. I came today to fly my DJI Avata 2 in manual mode, very fast. I am shooting for 90 miles per hour. It's a little bit windy today, so I'm hoping the wind is going to help me reach that target, 90 miles per hour. And I also have my new props. Those are the HQ props. I've been using for a few days now, and we'll see how they perform also. Hopefully they'll get me more speed. I'm not sure, but we'll find out. Thanks for joining. Let's go. Ready? It's my RC3, my headset, and all right, start recording. Manual mode. I'm gonna start with 30 and then I'll transition to 45. Engine start. Let's go. Let's see what top speed we're gonna get. 100 feet right here. I'm gonna go ahead to 45 degrees angle. Turn around. Full throttle. 85.7.
88.5. Wow. Another record number. Not bad at all.
Struggling going back now. All right, it's back. I like those props. They're going really fast. We did it. We got a 88.5 miles per hour. That's a record number for me. My last record was 85.7, so that's 2.8 miles more than the last or previous record. I was hoping to get 90 miles per hour. I couldn't do it, but I'm gonna keep trying. I honestly want to get to 100 miles per hour. No more than 100, because the legal limit in the United States to fly a drone is 100 miles per hour. So I want to reach that number, and I will keep you posted. And if you know anyone that went faster than this speed, please leave me the link down below in the comment section. I want to see it. I want to beat that number. I appreciate you watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you on the next one.